All right, so we're here in Mechanicsburg. This is the final inspection. We did the trim, hardwood floors. This was already here, so we matched up to it. Now, we did this room. Came out beautiful, but as we were doing it, we broke a couple tiles here, and thank God they had some in the basement. I just got done grouting. We had to replace a couple tiles in the border there, but customer's very pleased with it. Got the living room, and then the upstairs hallway. Complete though. Very nice. Sebi did this side. He did a really good job. Butted it up to the carpet, put a border up to it. Weber flooring. Another one down. Took us 3.5 days to do all this, but not too bad. Call us if you need any flooring needs. 717-673-5532. Thank you.